Hello everyone, I'm Andrew with Mohawk Valley Handyman, and today we're going to be talking about the electrical requirements to get a heat pump water heater.
So, reviewing how a heat pump water heater works, it pulls heat from the ambient air, typically your basement, and puts that heat into your water. In order to do this, it's running on electricity. Now, that power that supplies it is typically 240 volts and 30 amps. Now, if you have an electric hot water heater currently and are thinking about upgrading, most likely you already have a dedicated line that's capable of powering your new heat pump water heater. But if you have a gas water heater, most likely you do not have the proper power supply in place. This is where it's best to consult with an electrician or trained home professional to be able to assess your electrical panel to, number one, see if the panel is capable of carrying the additional load of the heat pump water heater. Number two, to size the appropriate breaker and wire to be able to install that heat pump water heater where so desired. When you take these factors into consideration, you're going to set yourself up for a great install and enjoy the benefits of a heat pump water heater for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more home maintenance tips. See you next time.